Hi guys! We are back. I am back. So, kids at home. Tsaka si sister. Ayan, natunaw na yung mga snow dito sa neighborhood, yung road. And the main road maybe melt already, honey. The snow on the road. So, we are going to Target and Trader Joe's, guys. Ayaw nilang sumama. So, kami lang dalawa ni Mr. ang pupunta doon sa Target. Kasi ate need new leggings. Yung mga leggings niya na binili namin. When did we buy that leggings? School starts or when the school starts or maybe after the school starts. So, kaso na siya guys, maiksi na. Maiksi na naman yung leggings ni ate. So, ang bilis lumaki ng mga bata. So, we are gonna buy a new leggings for ate. And then, punta kami ng Trader Joe's kasi mas mura yung itlog doon. Yeah, pero may limit na guys yung eggs. I think one person, one egg per transaction. So, ayan, pupunta tayo doon. And then, I don't know what else. We're supposed to go out today with my friends. So, we'll see. Kasi nag-text yung friend ko kahapon, guys. And gusto nilang lumabas. Sabi ko, mag-i-snow ngayon at nag-i-snow kahapon. But the road is now clear. So, we might gonna go out today or tomorrow. We'll see. So, yeah, pakita ko yung road, guys. Clear na yung pinaka-main road kasi umaraw na. Pero yung sa mga ganyan-ganyan backyard or something, may snow pa. Pero at least dito guys, sa dinadaanan ng sasakyan is clear na. Ayan. 15 minutes from home to Target. So, ayan. Nandito na tayo guys sa Target. Tingin tayo ng leggings. Summer clothes? Yeah. So, yung kukunin nating leggings Kylie is extra large. Ito na yung pinakamalaki and after this magiging teens na siya. Magiging teens na siya. This one, honey, leggings.
So, how many do you want to get?
And then where is the black one?
Pink.
She wants some pink? Really?
Yeah, she wore pink. She wore pink before. And
Black. At least good for like 5 days or so. Yeah.
If she has them, they're not get too. I don't know if she's gonna wear these or not. She might need a different brand.
I know. But
So
what I mean is like,
too many, no more than maybe like 3.
yeah, maybe 4. You can always wash it, right?
Well, they're $6. So.
Yeah. So one of the Spark, this one.
What is this?
I can't find, huh?
Oh, it's this.
All right, this one maybe. This one extra large. This one extra large, honey. That one, the basic color. So.
Pink,
Pink.
black.
This one, pink, and then the sparkle one, and then blue.
Although if we do a pink, there's the one. I don't know if she'd wear that flower one.
It's a cute one.
Oh, there's one with.
Oh, there's a heart one too, honey.
You want to
Strawberry.
get the strawberry one?
No, I don't like that one. How about this one, the heart? Might wear this one, heart, honey.
Yeah. Well, do you want to replace the? What are we replacing?
The pink one.
You don't think she's gonna wear the pink?
Yeah, just get this one. They have already. Oh, this is kind of cute. Maybe we can get a shirt now for Olivia.
You can get one.
Yeah, she still have
Is she the size 14 shirts?
extra 10-14 now.
Yeah, I get the larger size.
Yeah.
She's growing into them rather quickly.
So, ayan guys. So, kasi naglabasan na yung mga t-shirt. T-shirts is already out for summer. So,
Yeah, they've already. Well, it's winter.
yeah, ang dami. Oh, look at that, love. Duck. Like this one, Daddy.
No,
Dog.
they don't have the.
Dog.
Oh yeah, get a dog one.
Kasi na to, makuubos din ito pag What else? Oh, they have, this is nice also. Yeah, ang dami magaganda guys dito sa Target. Mga nakasale na yung iba, oh. Nagtingin kami sa clearance pero wala kami nakita.
No, we're getting free black. We don't want to do that.
No, we're not getting free black, honey.
Yes, we are.
But that's okay. It's different textures.
Get some other, and not blue. It's almost black.
Okay, VK. This is a cute one. VK all day. Ang kikit na mga ano nila, damit nila guys. How about that one? Like this one, this color. Yeah. Okay. Getting one of that one. Cat and the dog.
You want this heart one?
The heart? Maybe one of the heart.
Which one?
Love?
Or
It's a cute
this
one. No, not that one. It's kind of BFF.
Oh yeah.
They don't have any
Okay.
size though. They don't have any more sizes for that, love.
Okay, what about this one?
No?
I do.
Did the kids wear things like this?
I don't know.
For what is that? Ice cream. What is this?
What about this red one with the hearts hugging? Or the butterfly?
Butterfly is cuter.
That size?
They have extra large. They have more in the back, Daddy. You can go in the back. Okay, let's look at the
Don't
one.
get more than 4.
Yeah, let's go look in the back. Sometimes they have to wear like a tie-dye or something, you know? And they don't have that
I would
one.
get the heart one.
This one is
Oh,
cute.
Daniel.
Yeah, this one is cute, right? They don't have any extra large.
There's an extra large.
Okay, short sleeves. Can I get one? Or blue? I don't know. Which one do you think?
Pink. Oh,
Pink one?
Blue, but it has
Yeah.
a peace sign, so no.
No. Okay, there's more over here, but you know, that's good. Yeah. Dami. Oh, did we have this dog already? Oh, this is a long sleeve.
That was a long. This is clearance
Yeah.
from. This is almost all going to be long
You
sleeve.
know.
It might be.
Ito, nagpapabili si sister ng ano guys? Ano, facial toner. Ito daw. $10.99. Ito. Rose petal. Ano natin to guys? No, it's here. Come here. Then kuha niyo tayo ng candy guys. 2 candies. Ayan, check out na tayo. Hi guys. Ayan, tapos na tayo sa Target. Ayan, naka $70 na naman tayo. Ang mahal na talaga ng bilihin dito. Ilang piraso lang yung nabili namin. $70 na. So, we're heading to Kohl's. Kasi meron akong Kohl's cash. Pakita ko sa inyo yung aking Kohl's cash, guys. So, I have Kohl's cash. Nung nag-shopping ako kay, Grammy, may $20 na Kohl's cash. Mag-expired na to sa Monday. So, daan muna kami ng Kohl's and then Trader Joe's after. Gutom na yung kasama ko. Sa bahay na lang kami kumain, guys. Tipid. No? Kasi, mahal na talaga ang mga bilihin dito sa Amerika. Kahit sa Pilipinas, mahal, pero mahal din dito. So, yan. Lapit na kami. Nandito na tayo sa Kohl's, guys. Naming sale ngayon. So, but, ito na lang siguro bibiling ko para kay mother. Nakat-sale din siya, $13.50. May $20 tayo eh. So, ayan, underwear na lang. Siguro ito. Size 6. Ang dami rin mga medyas na nakasale. Oh, tingnan nyo. $2 na lang to, oh. Ayan, daming sale, guys. Dito sa Kohl's. Ito pang winter. Ayan, tingnan nyo, oh. $4 na lang itong mga to, oh. Yeah. Hello, guys. Ayan, back in the car. Kasama natin yung mga, natin. The whole gang. Punta tayo sa Shields. Dalhin natin yung ating bisita. Sa sister. Dalhin natin sa sa pinakamalaking retail or indoor retail dito sa sa Idaho. So, yeah, tingnan natin. Ayan na, nandito na tayo eh. na tayo. Si Lydia pa na yan tanong, are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Almost there yet? Okay. Ayan, lapit na tayo. Yung shells. Pero masyado namang mahal dito minsan pag walang clearance. Pero dito ko nabili yung shoes ko na ano. Remember, Daddy? $40. Before it's like almost ano.
Did you ever keep those shoes, or did you just keep
I wear it. No, I wear those.
Did you wear them
So,
today?
ayan. No, I
Are
didn't
they
wear
worn out?
today. So, shells. Nandito na tayo. We have to find a parking spot kasi parang busy, oh. Punong-puno yung mga sasakyan.
That was in last.
I know. Ang gusto lang gawin ng mga kids, guys, maglalaro daw sila ng bowling.
I don't know exactly what happened.
Mag-bowling daw sila. Oh, nandito na tayo sa shells. Shells. Oh, Lilia!
Oh, I thought bird poop.
That's not a bird flu. Ay, bird flu. Yan, dali natin si sister dito sa pinakamalaking mall, hindi, retail lang. Retail. Bagong bukas lang ito, Wen. Bagong bukas lang ito last year. Nail. Shells. Shells. Dito tayo. Ito mga kasama ko, nagmamadali yan. Si sis, nawandang na sa sa dami na. Mahal itong na to On yan. Ha? On cloud. Yeah. Oh, this one nakasil itong nila, mga medyas. Tingin yan. Titingin yan. Pasabay yan. Tingin yan. Ito yata yung gusto nila, Teya, anak. Kastisay kaya da kanon Hindi, ginatang. Parang ganito yata kasize kayo lang ya. $86. Ayan Saan ka na? Sorry. Yung mga naka-sale guys na on cloud. Pero mahal pa din naman siya. $119, $112. Yeah, it's still expensive. That one is cute, huh? How much is that? Magkano yan? $112? Yeah, maganda siya, Okay, this is nice. Alright guys, pauwi na kami. Naglakad lang kami. Luhaan kami guys. Wala kaming nabili. Hindi kaya ng market. Hanggang lang kami, $1. Pang Old Navy lang kami guys. Walang $1.99 doon guys. Puro anong mamahal. Kaya ayan, pauwi na kami. At least happy naman yung mga kasama natin kasi nakapaglaro sila. Guys, kain tayo. Ito yung ating homemade ramen. Ito yung niluto ko kahapon na meat. Yan yummy. Yummy sis? Okay. Alright, kain tayo guys.